Hey, guess what? We got brother and sister, the best looking people in town, right? Hey, but who's the fastest chef?
The man with the pan.
Okay, big shot to the man with the pan. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting. Something so special for Hilo. It's Hilo finest Amano tempura surimi. So this is raw fish base, what they use to make tempura. You know, everybody in Honolulu and all over the place, they come to Big Island just to buy this. For all those of you who's going to bring it to Honolulu and carry it on the plane, you need to have it frozen. So this product here, I actually purposely had it frozen. Just had defrosted it, right? To show you that it can be frozen. In here, I had some garlic powder. Put some pepper, then I get 1 egg. Crack it right on the side, mix it all up. Mix it really good now, okay? So it comes like a paste. So you mix it really well. So it kind of like looks just like this. So I got some shrimp, cut them up in small pieces. Dump some shrimp all inside here. I took off all the shell and the tail. Okay, get all the shrimp in there, chopped shrimp. Mix them all up. And in here, no more colors, so I put in some carrots, okay? So make it like colorful. You can put peas, you can put corn, you can make any kind of stuff you want, okay? I'm gonna make a patties and I'm gonna fry these just like this. Some of the shrimp right on the bottom. You make the small slits on the shrimp, just like that. And then you push it down and make it long. Get some nori, put the nori, since I got 4 pieces. Put the surimi right on the nori. Okay, put the shrimp, and I'm gonna roll it just like a sushi. Okay, put the surimi, put the shrimp, and I roll it. I think the fire is hot enough. Fry this just like this. Okay, it's all about done. I'm going to fry up these shrimp carrots. So after you know one side is done, so you just flip it over and brown the other side. But this is the most reasonable seafood item of all. I just love the surimi. Big Island Amano surimi, and I'll plate it right over here. Okay, the baga look good, but let's see how it tastes. And there you go, the shrimp with the surimi batter around with the nori. Wow. You know, I'm in heaven. This is like the gourmet way to make shrimp. I have the regular shrimp tempura, and this one here has carrots, shrimp, chopped shrimp, and the surimi. This is great for Super Bowl. Until next week, we'll see you on the man and the pan. Aloha.